Hello. I have explained how to implement some important regressions, how to declare panel data structure, and how to use fixed effects, and how to use two fixed effects at the same time. And I will show in this video, I will show you how to write a do file, and I will also show you one additional tip, which will be very useful, um, like if you use data again in the future. So though it's not required, but I recommend you to start with like um, having a stamp on the code, like writing your name, code for homework 6 and eco420W, and written by Byung Park. Is my name correct? And version April 22, 2021. So this is I recommend I just encourage you to have a habit just to start a code like this, especially for version control and for share. If you share your code with someone else, then you want to get the credit for the code you write. So then you need to I identify yourself like this. Of course, like those who edit this file may delete your name, but it then you can blame that person. Anyhow, and the first thing you have to do here is to define the change directory and load data. I I already copied the code from the earlier homework. It is not required because like if you share this code, this part should be changed to a different directory. But anyhow, it is convenient for you. And now I will show you now let's do the regression again. So the first regression we did is we regress democracy index on log GDP per capita using robust standard error. This was the baseline, the first baseline regression model. And remember, you can save the regression results under the name of model 1. So estimates command and store option, and this is the name of the saved file, saved like in the memory, what is saved in the memory. And if you run the second regression, including education, another baseline model, I will save this result as model 2. So model 1, model 2 are saved. And then now the third regression is the fixed effects regression. So we need to declare the panel data structure. We did it this way. And xt regress democracy index, log GDP per capita, education, and then fixed effect and clustered standard error. So this is our third regression, which will be saved as model 3. And then the fourth regression of xt regress democracy index, log GDP per capita, education, and you include your dummy variables. Dummy variables using I dot in front of the variable name. All the other things the same. So this is what we do. Simple. This homework is simple, and you just need 4 regression. And after running all the regressions, I will use stab, which is an abbreviation of estimate table, using model 1, model 2, model 3, model 4. So let's see what happens if you run this. This is the result. So everything was run, and we get one result. So model 1, model 2, model 3, model 4, and all the standard information is given. But suppose that we do not need this. We do not want this part. So in that case, I will show you how to remove this much. You can remove that much by using keep option. And the keep option, I will include these three variables. So I only keep three variables in estimates, and then run again. Then in the end, we get a new result, new table. Then this is exactly what we want. This is what we want, and pretty easy to make it your own table. So copy it, and by the way, remember you have to add additional rows saying whether you control for country fixed effect or time fixed, year fixed effect. So yes, no, no, yes, no, yes, 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 something like that. So no, 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 yes, no, yes, yes. So you have to make additional row when you write the answer. I will show you one additional tip which can be useful. It is related to the code in the slides, so I would like to demonstrate that. So what I'm going to do here is global command. Global is, so I will show you an example. I will I have to put quotations. So this line define the variable list as x. So these two variables are abbreviated to x. So we'll show you the first regression does not have education, so we cannot use that. But in the second regression, we have exactly the same set of regressors. So you may use $x. So like now we are abbreviating only two variables into x, but like in practice, you may have more than two. Like say you have 20 variables. Then you have to write 20 variables every time you run a regression. Like 20 variables will be more than one line. So then one simple way to handle that is abbreviate, make a variable list. So x is a variable list and it is set global because it will be on memory anywhere on this code. So you may use a simple way, simple variable list. So like this. Anywhere you use these two variables, you may replace them, the longer name, into just a shorter word. So it's your choice, and also you may replace them here. So let's see if it works. It may not. I hope it works. It worked. It worked fine, exactly as we wanted. And now you can compare much easily. So in the end, none of these two variables survived, but the difference is the change is shown very clearly by this table. And also the sample size changes as you include education variable. Okay, this is it. I'm going to I'm going to save this and post the two file with the homework. I hope it helps. So. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will continue to the next chapter. The next chapter is the binary regression model. Maybe I believe the next chapter will be the last chapter of this course this semester. So I hope you enjoy that. See you later. Bye.